Alright, today we're taking a look at something cool. Just got in. This is a 1991 Land Rover Defender 90. This did have a frame-off restoration. It's got 8,000 miles on it. It's got the 300 turbo diesel motor. Brand new paint, brand new wheels, brand new interior. It is a right-hand drive model. Got full leather bucket seats. It does have a sound system. You can see 8,000 miles on the odometer. It's a 5-speed manual. Obviously, she's got 4-wheel drive. You got rear bench seat on both sides. There's your diesel heater. It does have vents right up into that front. These seats back here, they do pop up if you want to have them stored. This thing is brand new all around. Brand new LEDs. Full restoration on this. It's going live on the website today at BRIANSAutoCenter.com. Or you give us a phone call, 732-528-9777. We're loving these rear windows they have. Almost looks modern. You got brand new Pirelli tires on there. Needs nothing, she's ready to go.